Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. If it's one thing that I'm going to do is wait until the last minute to put in some hair, and it's nighttime, I'm tired, so I hope this is going to be quick. Today I am trying some new hair, but first let me show you my braiding pattern. Every time I post a video, someone asks to see my braiding pattern, so here's what it looks like. It's very flat. It's perfect for doing crochet. So let me show you the hair that I'm using. It's long this time, it's 20 inches. The hair that I have this time is called Modern Gorgeous Soft Locks. They look like this and they have little loose ends. I'm excited. I'm a sucker for a curly end. Also, they are 20 inches. It's gonna be pretty long. So there's 36 pieces in this pack. I'm assuming it's going to be 36 pieces in every pack. I purchased 3 packs, but I doubt that I'm going to need that. I got the color T27, which is a lighter brown. It kind of matches my skin. She looks fabulous. Also, I got a color 4 and a color 2. So, you know, dark to medium brown, which I'm very excited about. I love to do a little medium brown situation, but nothing too crazy. I thought about getting a little blondish color, but that's a little much for me. So I'm gonna start installing this hair. I'm going to take out 2 sections of the light brown, put them in the back, and then I'm gonna use the 2 and the 4 and kind of put them all over, and then come back with the last section of the light brown and put them in certain pieces to give a little highlight, a little framing of the face. I'm hoping it's gonna come out super cute. So I'm gonna start back here. Just put the latch hook through. If your braids are secure, it's just gonna stay. Now, here's what the loop looks like. Makes me a little bit worried, but I'm gonna stick my fingernail in it, see if I can make it a little bit looser. And yeah, it gets looser, it gets bigger. So that's perfect. I'm going to make that hole there a little bigger, put it on my latch hook, close the latch hook, pull it through. Then I'm going to stick the needle through here so I can grab the end and pull it through. Once it's through, you can take it off the latch hook and you can just tighten it like that. So here's what one looks like. Let me show you how long it is on my body. So it's right below my boob here. Here's my waist, boob. And I have big boobs. So I'm 5'7", so that's where it comes on me, kind of mid-waist actually, or mid-back. After I have installed them all, I'll try to remember to come back on screen and show you where they are on my back as well. Well, I'm back and I have the hair installed. Okay, so I installed almost 3 full packs. I actually have like maybe 5 pieces left over that I could just find to go in my hair somewhere, but I tried to skip a finger width of space and ended up having to fill in some of those spots so there were no visible gaps. This hair is long. It is a little more heavy than the other crochet hair that I'm used to wearing, the other locks. I think these locks may be more tightly wound, so there's more hair in it. Plus, it's 20 inches long. So the normal locks that I get are either 18 or 16. This is just a little bit extra weight. Plus, my braids are fresh. I didn't sleep well last night. I was able to go to the gym this morning and I put my hair in a half up, half down situation. So I can do that, but right now it does feel heavy. I think that I'm going to wear these for a couple of weeks. My goal is to be able to unloop them because this hair was a little bit more expensive. I believe it was $11 a pack because you get 3 times as much in it, and I purchased 3 packs. So I'm really just hoping that I can reuse this hair. I love to save a buck. Again, it comes about like right under my boobs. I have a big chest though, so if you have a smaller chest, it'll probably go down to your waist. 20 inches, but they look fabulous, right? Like they look really good. They look really natural. I love the curly ends on them too. I'm not too much worried about the curls coming out like they did in the other hair because it's just not very much curl. It's just about 2 inches of curl on the ends, but I love the color. I love how they look. I think over the next few days, I'll even love how they feel. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I will show you my braiding pattern so you can know exactly what my braids look like. And until next time, y'all have a great day.